Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage your customers and get the most out of the audience that you've built inside of Kajabi. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. Forms are your opt-ins. You can create opt-ins for any of your lead magnets, okay? So I've got a mixing checklist opt-in. I've got an opt-in for a course that's got a waiting list, right? I've got an opt-in for different lead magnets here, my audio income guide, my studio gear guide, right? Different opt-ins, that's all these are, that you can connect to your email provider if you don't use Kajabi for email. It's all here. And these opt-ins can be tied to different landing pages. So you can have a landing page, and so when they opt in, please put them on this form. And when they're on this form, connect it to ConvertKit, and then send them this free guide. It's all there for you. Kajabi also does email. So you can do email campaigns. I use it to send emails to the people that buy my courses. I have like welcome onboarding sequences. So if you buy one of my products, or you buy a big thing, or you join a membership, you're going to get a series of emails that are pre-written that say, hey, welcome to my VIP community. In day 1, here's what I want you to do. I want you to introduce yourself, upload your profile pic, and comment on one person's post. And the next day it's hey, day 2, I want you to check out the mini courses, and so on and so forth. So you can create a bunch of different emails. It can be one-time email, just email everybody who bought a course to update them, let them know that you've added a new video module, or that you're selling them a new thing that they might like because they bought this thing. Or again, like it could be pre-written email sequences, just like you would have in MailChimp or ConvertKit or wherever, which are great when somebody buys something to onboard them. You can have events, okay? Events are where you can have one-time live webinars, or you can have an auto webinar that they can join every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes. One of my favorite things about Kajabi is the People tab. The People tab show everybody who has opted in for something. It could have just been for your freebie. It could be a product. Anybody who is in Kajabi for whatever reason is here. And this is great. So if somebody emails you and they have a question about something, you're not sure what products they've purchased, you could simply type in their email, right, and see what they've got. So let's see if my email's in here. Okay, so there I am. And you can see what purchases they've made, okay? These are all test offers because I've purchased my own offer. And you can see what products this person has. I've got a few of my products. You can see what their progress is. And this is where you can grant them a new offer. If you wanted to give them a product for free, just because you want to be kind, this is where you can revoke a product if they refund. This is where you can refund them. This is where you can leave notes like, this guy is a jerk and he always asks for a lot of stuff, or this person is amazing and I gave them a free course because they're a military veteran, and whatever. You can leave a note about the person. You can see their life cycle. What did they do? When did they opt in? What did they do next? Oh, then they bought this course. Oh, then they went to this webinar. You can see everything about this person because it keeps track of everything, which is incredible. You can edit their details. You can send them a password if they can't remember their password. You can hide them. You can mute them if they're leaving too many mean comments. You can delete them, or you can, again, grant them offers, which is you can give them products and services. I love, love, love the people section of Kajabi. You also have affiliates. So what you can do is if you want other people to sell your products for you, promote them to their audience, and you give them a cut, let's say 50% of the course sale, you can create affiliate links here for your products, and then other people can sell your products, and you can keep track of all their conversions, all their sales, so that you can pay them out by PayPal or whatever later. It's all inside of Kajabi. So again, at its core, Kajabi gives you an opportunity to create products, courses, memberships, communities, create offers, sell them at different price points with different payment plans or free trials or with discount codes, create sales pages, create landing pages to hide free content, bonus content, to host webinars. You can do live YouTube live webinars or Zoom webinars. You can do auto webinars. You can create your main website. You can create sales pages for your products, of course. You can email your customers. You can keep track of your customers. You can do all of this stuff inside of Kajabi because it is everything an online business owner needs. I even sell coaching through Kajabi where they don't actually get any kind of course, but it handles all of my payment. It handles all the credit card stuff. It handles payment plans. And it allows me to create some landing pages to upload our recorded calls later if they want to go back and reference. All of this can be done inside of Kajabi. It's super flexible, always being updated. They're adding new features all the time, and your price stays the same every month, which is incredible. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.